Thanks for watching NCP Piedmont Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures. All right, so hey everybody, it's Joe from NCP Piedmont Outdoors, and coming off that video I made not too long ago showing you this backpack that I got at the gun show, and I just want to kind of do a little bit of maintenance on it, see what I'm going to have to do. So I posted the video and I got some comments on it, and if you look right here in this tag, and I think you can see that pretty good right there, it says Molle Pack, Patrol. There's like the lot numbers and everything on there. You can see it. This is from Specialty Defense Systems. And somebody had mentioned that this isn't really a Molle Patrol pack. It's from the, what is it, the CFD or CFP 90 pack. So I'm not really sure. So again, I'm from what I gathered on YouTube, this is definitely a pack from the 90s. They don't make these anymore. Yes, it's part of a bigger system that was at that time. So I'm not really sure. When it comes to like what is the official Molle Patrol pack as opposed to this one from the 90s. So, if I misspoke, I misspoke. But I'm just kind of reading off what it says here on the label right here, and it says Molle Pack, Patrol. So, but anyway, I love this pack. Like I said, I've seen it in a bunch of videos, and I'm definitely going to use it. But one of the things that any backpack you have, you need to do some maintenance on it sometimes. So in this particular backpack, there's just a little bit of some dirt spots here. I'm not worried about that too much. I think that can just rub right out. This might be a little bit of a nick, but I'm not too worried about it. Then the bottom here, as I mentioned, it's got a little bit of a few stains right there, but again, nothing too concerning. And then right here on this little slit right here, you can see right there's just a tiny little hole. So I'm just going to get some needle and thread and kind of sew that up, but it's very, very small, very, very tiny. But one of the other things that you may need to do with your backpacks that you have them to keep them in good shape is to maintain the snaps and the zippers. So this one doesn't have any buttons on it, or snaps on it, I should say. Obviously it's just got the plastic clips, but it does have the zipper. So I got this product, I don't know, about a year or two ago, right, from the Starbright booth at the Bassmaster Classic, either when I went to in Greenville, South Carolina, or Birmingham. I don't particularly remember, but I just walked up to the booth and they had all their products there, and this is their product that they had. This is a snap and zipper lubricant. It's like white mineral. What does it say? It's white mineral oil. So basically the instructions are for a zipper. It says, close zipper and apply a small amount of lubricant to center area. Open and close zipper several times to evenly distribute product and wipe off any excess lubricant. So I thought, yeah, why not do a video on maintaining kind of like your zippers and your snaps. So again, no snaps here, but the zipper, and it is again from the 90s. So if I go ahead and follow those instructions, I want to close this, and I definitely don't want these zippers to be tight. Like I want it to work, and I want the zippers to open and close, but I don't want to the point where if I pull too hard or it gets stuck or it rips. I really want to try to keep this bag and use it as my go-to bag in my truck. So I'm just going to go ahead and follow those instructions like they said. So you can see in the tube here, it just comes out, and it's got a little bit of tube right there. It's kind of coming out. So I'm just going to kind of, I guess, put a little bit here in the center like this. I guess that's the center. I'm not even squeezing it. I'm just kind of using what kind of came out and just kind of put it like that. And put it right on the teeth, right there. Like that in the center. Okay, let's do that. And again, just like it says, right? So close the zipper. So I close it all the way, and then I'm going to open it. So let's try to do this one. Go across, and then we'll go this one back. Like that, and then we'll go this one again, like this, and then they'll take this other zipper, because there are two zippers, go across like that, across like this, and I'll just kind of do that back and forth, just to kind of get that in the teeth, and see it. You can see it's shiny, you can see it's on there, you can see it's getting all the way across. So I'm hoping that by using this product, it can easily open. Like I said, I don't want to pull it and tear it, or get it stuck or pop it out of the teeth. I really want to try to maintain and keep this bag in good working order. So, all right, so let's do that and just kind of give it a few more times. Close that down, close this down, pull it back up. Yeah, that's it. That's all it says to do. So, I mean, it seems a little bit smoother, right? when I'm doing that, so I guess that's a good thing. So that seems pretty good. There's no other zippers or, like I said, snaps on this particular bag, So I think that's all I'm going to need to do is just kind of follow those instructions. So, and then I figure eventually I'll just have it where the zippers are up front. Fold this tab down. That'll help protect it. You can see like the zippers here, a little bit weathered right there, but I'm not too worried about that. I think if I get some scrub, some soap and water maybe, and just kind of wash that off, it should come off. And then especially those little spots on there. So, all right, so that's kind of where I'm at, and just wanted to show you that I do make some good products out there to help you with your snaps and your zippers on your backpack. So, you know, good maintaining that backpack in a positive way, and make sure it'll last a long time for you. So, all right, everybody, thanks for watching. If you have any comments, just go ahead and drop them. Appreciate it. You know, if you like what you see, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. And if you have more information about this bag to kind of tell me the difference between, I guess, the modern Mollies, I guess, as compared to this Molle bag, you know, please inform me. Let me know so I can add it to a future video. So thanks, guys, and we'll have another video for you soon. Take care. Thanks for watching NC Piedmont Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.